Hey everyone, I'm Beautiful Love Forever, aka Tay. Appreciate all of you joining me. So I'm going to go ahead and get started. I'm going to take a brown eyeshadow and put it in my crease. Next, I'm going to use the Sephora Color Shifter Strange Botanicals eyeshadow palette. And I'm going to take that first shade and put it all over my lids. The second shade I'm going to put on the end parts of my eyes. And then that gold topper I'm going to put on the inner corners of my eyes. By the way, I post new shorts every Monday and full makeup tutorials every Friday. So if you enjoy beauty content and fun videos, definitely subscribe. Okay, I already put on my lashes and moisturizer. Now I'm going to use the Everyday Humans Rose from Above Mineral Sunscreen. For primer, I'm using the Milk Makeup Hydro Grip Primer. For foundation, I'm using the Juvia's Place Iron Magic Velvety Matte Foundation in Kapala 340. To cover the dark spots on my face and neck, I'm using the e.l.f. Camo Concealer in Deep Chestnut. To highlight, I'm using the Nars Radiant Creamy Concealer in Praline, and I'm just putting this all the places where the light would naturally hit my face. While that's sitting, I'm going to use the Fenty Beauty Bronzer in Mocha Mami to contour my nose as well as bronze other parts of my face. Now I'm using the Laura Mercier Loose Setting Powder in Honey Translucent to set where I highlighted at. For my all over face powder, I'm using the Sephora Micro Smooth Powder in 65 Toffee. For blush, I'm going to use the Juvia's Place Sweet Pinks eyeshadow palette. I'm going to take that shade and use that. To highlight, I'm using the Revlon Skin Lights Prismatic Highlighter in Twilight Gleam. For lips, I'm using the NYX Lip Liner in Club Hopper and the Too Faced Kissing Jelly Lip Oil Gloss in Birthday Kiss. To set my face, I'm using the Cover FX High Performance Setting Spray. And that's the finished look. I hope you all enjoyed this soft pearl, soft glam makeup tutorial that I did. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next video. Make sure you take care of yourselves. Bye, y'all.